YouTube, this how I didn't want to start the fucking video. Ain't that shit, like, I hope y'all can hear what the fuck I said, but y'all see, oh, we gonna charge her here, but we also gonna fit that, you feel me? We about to do a little POV real quick. I feel like glitch, we got to let him up with us too. Yeah, y'all boys are cold start. Yeah, hop in, nigga. I need somewhere to set up the phone. Damn. What could I do? What could I do? Hey, we about to use these people's shit. Fuck them. See, y'all can hear all the way from back here. Come on, who told you to get out? Come on, move. Come on. Come on. Shit, man, I hope y'all seen that shit. Now I'm gonna play. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Yes, sir. We in that thing. Oh shit, it's still zoomed up. We in this motherfucker. But I'm about to switch to the GoPro, and I'll see y'all when I'm done. Yo, what's up with it, man? We on the motherfucking GoPro. You feel me? Could have been with fucking about to after this one. Y'all see? Hold on, everybody going interstate right here. Damn, it's Traffic City. God damn, shorty. Hey. Hey. I see it. Some of y'all enjoyed last bit, some of y'all didn't, you hear me? But to the ones who didn't, fuck you. I know I clickbaited. I know. But like, y'all gotta think about it. I've been gone for 8 months. You feel me? So I had to clickbait. I ain't have to, but I had to make sure it was still there before, you know, I take the risk, you feel me? But I guess y'all enjoyed that big pull, so like, but I'm about to stop doing that shit, because if I keep clickbaiting, y'all gonna remember my name, but like, man, this nigga always clickbait, nigga ain't about to fuck with us. So look, that was my last time, y'all. I just had to, you know what I'm saying? I had to make sure y'all was still here fucking with me. I'm done with the clickbaiting, though. I ain't gonna lie, that shit wasn't cutting up, I ain't gonna lie. But still, man, y'all know, fuck, about to stop doing that shit, though. A quick 120, what the fuck? No! Ooh, do you smell the rain? Y'all, now, oh yeah, I meant to say that before the video even started. I do not recommend straight piping no V6, but god damn, y'all can't lie. this bitch sound good. No cap. I don't care what nobody say. If it don't sound good to you, it don't sound good to you. But to me, bro, this shit sound good. Like, bro. Yeah, like I said, I would recommend straight piping over V6. Like V8, I don't give a fuck what size V8 you got. You feel me? You can straight pipe that bitch. But like, man, this shit sound pretty nice for a V6, man. I ain't even gonna lie. Come on with it. Nobody outside this nigga. Make sure nobody coming. Ah, fuck it. Hold up, make sure 12 not right here, gang. Make sure 12 not right here, gang. They good for being posted, right? Where them bitches be at? Where them bitches be at, boy? Them bitches good. They big, they good for being right over here. My turn. Hold up. Oh. God damn, I forgot. Oh yeah, that ain't, but they ain't there, but like they usually be right over here, just chilling. But you know, since they not, we gonna wait for this car to go by. Hey, me. Ooh. I almost just wrecked. I almost just wrecked. I literally just almost just riding on her stomach one time. Ass. Make room, make room, make room. Oh, shit. That was smooth, you hear me? Hey. YouTube. Boy, I ain't lying. I missed this thing squeezing my head, you hear me? No diddy. Cause if y'all use a GoPro, bro, man, this shit be squeezing the fuck out your head, you feel me? Man, damn, this shit crazy, nigga, really bad. I'm gonna stop, like I said earlier, I'm gonna stop a line up, just start capping y'all, you hear me? Doing that cut up shit. My last video I was cutting up in my G37. Some people fucking with it though, and I appreciate the people who fucking with it. Cause like, boy, I be just trying to get y'all attention. I hate clickbaiting, bro, but I be having to, bro. Make sure y'all there, cause really I'm putting myself at risk. Like, what if I would've started cutting up bad? You know what I'm saying? I'm putting myself at risk. I gotta make sure y'all there. You feel me? So don't be minding the clickbaits. I'm not a clickbaiter. You feel me? I really don't play around. Especially, y'all, I'm telling y'all. I ain't about to even keep talking. I ain't about to keep even explaining myself. I'm gonna just show y'all. Cause I know y'all don't really give a damn what I'm talking about anyway. You know what I'm saying? Especially when I go get the other car. I slapped the wheels on this bitch. Oh, that's when the fun really began. That's where it just started. You feel me? That's where it just started. Oh yeah, go ahead this bitch. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, like, bro, let me put the window down just so y'all can't hear for real. Tell them glizzy, they can't hear for real, like, bro. Man, I hope y'all seen me. Like, fuck, I ain't even tripping. Y'all ain't see the car, but like, yeah, I know y'all heard that bitch for shit show. But the lawnmower people, I hope they ain't fuck it up. You feel me? That shit loud as fuck. Right there, right, listen. I don't, See how long we been recording. I ain't about to make this bit too long. Oh, only 10 minutes? Oh shit. That ain't really, that ain't bad at all. Fresh as shit. Oh, who the fuck about to wait? Soon as this great Toyota come, I'm doing it. Doing it to their ass. Damn. Tried to do a little slide. Oh yeah, I gotta hop on and make sure something good. Hey bro, you're doing too much. Get your little ass backed up. Shit, my bad, niggas. I had popped y'all boys. Make sure y'all hearing this shit. Hold on. Like, bro, y'all not really hearing this shit, man. Stop biting. Hey, squirrel, move out the fucking way. That's, hey, that squirrel was bro. That's a bit. Gotta make sure. Hold up. After this pull. Now I'm about to make it talk. Watch this. Watch this, gang. We about to make a talk. Telling y'all, I don't recommend with straight piping, but hey, you gotta do what the fuck you gotta do, my nigga. This bit. I love this shit, dog. I love this shit, bro. No fucking cap. But hey, man, if you enjoyed the video, man, make sure you drop a like, drop a subscribe if you new. You know, comment if y'all fucking with the vid. Look, gang, I'm done clickbait, man. I need y'all to fuck with me. So, you know what I'm saying? I will catch y'all next video. Bye.
Bye, have a great time.